Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer Nitro 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer Nitro 5 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a variety of causes, such as a faulty power supply, motherboard issues, or even a short circuit. If left unresolved, it could lead to more serious damage that could make your device irreparable. To tackle this problem, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, some thermal paste, and a replacement component depending on what we find during the diagnosis. First, ensure you have the device powered off and disconnected from any power source. Begin by removing the screws on the back cover of the laptop using the Phillips screwdriver. Be careful to keep track of where each screw belongs, as they may vary in size. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. After the back cover is off, you will need to locate the battery and the motherboard. Often, a short circuit occurs due to a faulty connection on the motherboard. Inspect the motherboard for any visible signs of damage, such as burned areas or bulging capacitors. If you identify a faulty component, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it. You may need to remove additional screws to extract the damaged component. When you do this, apply a gentle but firm pressure to avoid damaging any nearby components. Once the faulty part is removed, replace it with a new component, ensuring it sits snugly in place. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are securely attached. After everything is back in place, apply a small amount of thermal paste if necessary, and replace the back cover. It is crucial to ensure all screws are returned to their original places, as failing to do so can lead to further issues. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your laptop is kept clean and free from dust, and regularly check for any software updates. Avoid using the laptop on soft surfaces that can block ventilation, which can lead to overheating. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.